When it comes to getting the most from your bandsaw, the guide system plays a bigger role than most people realize. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the different types of guides used on bandsaws: carbide backup guides, carbide side guides, roller guides, and pre-rollers, and what each one does to keep your blade cutting straight and true. Backup guides, sometimes called thrust guides, are positioned directly behind the blade. Their job is to prevent the blade from deflecting backward under feeding pressure and stabilize it through the cut. Now, carbide backup guides are incredibly durable and heat resistant, giving you long service life with minimal wear. Their precision ground faces allow the back of the blade to run smooth and steady, reducing fatigue and helping prevent cracking over time. They are the workhorse of consistent, repeatable performance. Side guides sit on each side of the blade to control side-to-side movement and twisting. Carbide side guides are favored for their accuracy and strength. They hold their shape and alignment even under heavy feed loads. This keeps your blade tracking straight, produces smoother finishes, and cuts down on adjustment time. They're a great choice for operators who need tight tolerances and long-term dependability. Roller-style guides use sealed bearings to reduce friction and heat. The side rollers hold the blade on track through the cut, while the backup roller supports it from behind and spins freely to absorb feed pressure. This design keeps the blade cooler, runs quieter, and helps extend blade life. Roller guides are extremely versatile and easy to adjust, making them ideal for operators who change materials or blade widths frequently. Pre-rollers are mounted just ahead of the side guides and act as a first point of contact for the blade before it enters the cut zone. Their job is to steady the blade and eliminate vibration before it reaches the main guide system, ensuring the blade enters the workpiece smoothly and with minimal deflection. By maintaining a straightforward tension path, pre-rollers improve cut accuracy, reduce wear on the backups and side guides, and help the blade track more consistently throughout long production runs. You know, all black iron guides are only sold as complete kits. This ensures the customer has what he needs to increase his blade life and production. It is also a way that keeps the overall cost of the kit up to about 40% lower than most manufacturers' parts. In some cases, you can purchase an entire kit for less than you can a single guide from the manufacturer. When you upgrade to the black iron guide kit, you will lower your repair cost, upgrade your machine with far superior parts, increase blade life, and of course, increase those machine production times. So, the choice is an easy one. Black Iron Guide Kits makes the finest replacement parts in the industry. I'm Austin Zimmerman, and thanks for watching.